jump is complete. It is done. I jumped. I am not becoming, not arriving. I already am. I already arrive into a better timeline, for the better, for good. So easy, so final. This changed my life, scary, fast and permanently. Do not listen, do not listen if you're not ready. Because this is not a process, this is a result. My jump is complete, instantly, cleanly. My reality rearranged, fully finished. Outcomes found me. They stay permanently. Do not listen if you're not ready to accept what's already done. I allow the old timeline to close gently. I allow the new one to begin now. I allow permanent improvement. I allow irreversible alignment. No chaos, only precision. No delay, only completion. What changed stays changed, what improved stays improved, what opened never shuts. Μην ακούς αν δεν είσαι έτοιμος. Το άλμα ολοκληρώθηκε, έγινε, τελείωσε τώρα. Βρίσκομαι σε καλύτερη γραμμή ζωής. Ο ήλιος είναι πιο φωτεινός. Το γρασίδι πιο πράσινο, το νερό πιο καθαρό. Μην ακούς αν δεν είσαι έτοιμος να δεχτείς ότι αυτό είναι μόνιμο. I jumped, I quantum jumped. It is done. Η παλιά γραμμή έκλεισε απαλά. Η νέα υπάρχει μόνιμα. Όταν αυτό συνέβη, είχε ήδη συμβεί.